Alright, we're going live because the camera's stuffed the batteries. We chewed the battery out. We've made an engine stand. Hello, Sono.
Hello.
We've got the 221. We fired up the 170 today. Whoop, spoiler alert. Now we're going to get the 221 fired. We're just putting the new carby on it. And we're going to see if we can get it going. We did get a bit of puff of life out of it. So that carby's sitting the wrong way. Yes, I know. But we're just trying to start it. We're trying to get it running. That's a Borg Warner 35. That's a brand new battery. That's Sono's sexy legs. This is going to be a lot of fun. So just stay tuned and watch away. Otherwise, I'll post it over to Facebook. Not Facebook. This is Facebook. I'll put it over to YouTube later. Okay. What do you want me to do? Ah! Fuel!
Back for a second.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Does that actually fit in there?
Yeah.
Oh, man, these Fords are so easy. That's it. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Alright, you're gonna... got it. What a silly place to put a hose clamp. Look how talented I am. I'm doing a live video.
Actually loose.
Sorry?
The other one's loose.
The other hose clamp's loose?
No, the other fitting's loose.
So we're just hooking up the fuel line to the Autolite 1100. There you go. It's like a master surgery going on here. Two people working on one car. Well, you can still get the throttle.
Yep,
Oh, look, squirting.
Fuel.
Look, it's still squirting. You can't see the squirts. I think we're running. 2 litres later. Alright, here we go. You want to do it? I'll put my foot on because I think this wanted to jump. I'm just going to sit that like that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Fuel. We've got fuel.
It's pissing out.
Okay. That's right. Fired! And it runs! Woo! How good's that? You sure it's leaking?
Yeah, pissed fuel down here.
Oh, through the rubber.
The side of the rubber there?
Yeah, there. Look, it's wet.
Yeah, okay.
That's wet. Okay, so we need a new fuel pump.
Yeah.
Oh no, maybe it's that. Look.
Get out of that.
Oh yeah, that. Look, it's wet there.
Yeah, okay.
See the wetness?
Hose clamp up.
Well, that hose is cracked, man.
Is it?
Take that hose off.
We'll just go straight to it with that one.
Yeah, I think so, because the jerry can's fine. So we're just going to take this hose off because the fuel's coming out. But the bowl's looking good. Fuel bowl.
Jerry.
That new Dizzy's working a treat. The PCV tube came out.
What do you want one of them for?
That's just too much. Alright, you want a video and I'll do some work?
Let's just see. Let's see if it'll run.
Yeah, it was running. Just pull it off.
Without pissing fuel everywhere.
You know, put the hose clamp on it.
Yeah, dude.
We're getting a bit of a crazy concoction of fuel and electricity, so we're trying to be safe. Safety first. So the other side is there's the mounts. Just put the standard log manifold on with the sports exhaust right there, with a 1 inch or 1/4 inch sports exhaust.
Huge.
And that's all you need. Testing this starter motor out, so that's 2 of 2 so far. Working good. Haven't put the converter in. but we need the box hooked up so we can get the starter motor on. What else? What else? I haven't checked them. We did put oil in it. I'm not running the water pump at this stage.
Let's just have another quick go and see if this will run.
Give me a go.
Oh, yeah,
Alright,
let's just
go.
try and start
Let's go.
it, and then
Go.
by all means you can have a go.
Yep, that wants to go.
Is there fuel there?
Just checking the fuel. Yeah, it's spurting.
Is it? Okay. Alright.
Yeah. Alright, off we go. Yep. That's a win.
You!
Yeah.
And with its old
Shit,
crusty fuel
the
pump.
fuel pump's working. Look, it's not leaking.
The old crusty fuel pump.
It's a bit, oh, okay, it's a bit damp, but moist.
Just the way we like it.
How good is that? What a buy. That is awesome. What a setup. Alright, should we have one more go, or
This runs better than your other one.
which one? This one's better than the Volvo.
Runs better than that.
Yeah, this is grunty.
Let's let it
Cool down.
for 5 or so. Where's the idle screw on this?
I'll show you a sec.
Because yeah, it's better if you just screw the idle back down a little bit. It was just a bit high.
Alright, hold that.
Oh, let's-
No, it's alright. Well, give me a video. So, that you do 1.5 turns. Mixture.
mixture screw.
1.5, which we did on the other car.
And the idle screw is
there. Oh, it's a bloody nut.
It's just a bolt.
Well, it's not doing anything.
What's holding?
Not.
What's holding it?
Nothing's holding it. That's weird.
I wonder if it's actually touching down the bottom because we haven't got the spacer on it and the hole's different.
Oh, yeah, in the hole, you reckon?
Yeah, onto the manifold. Because we haven't got the adapter on there, I think that the actual flap is touching the hole in the manifold.
Well, this doesn't touch anything, look. Oh, okay, so it's turned up here, so it steps up against that.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Well, that should be just your idle up for your choke, not the actual physical idle. That's
right.
idle up just for your choke.
Well, that's your throttle. That's for your choke, which was working because as soon as we put it down, and then there's nothing on this side. That's your accelerator pump. This is different to what I remember. Yeah. Interesting.
It's okay. We could run it the way it is. It just seemed like it was wanting to idle a lot higher than the other motor.
Well, don't forget there's no exhaust on this.
Correct. Do you want to have another go? Just another quick one.
Yeah, we can if you want.
Just got to hook your
Earth
up.
Earthy. Yep.
Green wire. Just tag it against the positive and get it to wind over.
I'm going to stand on this side. Ready?
Just, oh, hang on. Make sure the coil's definitely on there. That wire's on.
Yeah.
1 sec. Go.
is a win. Let's just take the earth off. Mate, that motor in a rail car with just extractors shooting up like zoomies, that would be doesn't it, like, just use the Borg 35 with a $4,000 stall, big cam, zoomies in a rail. Mate, what an engine. I reckon it'd be wheel standing in a rail. That is awesome. Alright, there you go. She's done. She runs. We're happy. You happy?
Yep, very happy. Very happy. Because who knows how long it sat for?
The guy previously told me it probably sat for about 5 years, apparently. But somebody spent some money on this thing because with a dizzy, it's been painted. It hasn't seen much. I don't know. It's a strange one, isn't it?
Very strange.
But it's a good motor.
Can't tell.
Fuel pump works as well. She's ready to go. So now I have to get my ass into gear and start doing some rust repair work. I'm going to change that alternator to an external reg alternator. Like I said, that carb is the wrong way around because it doesn't have the spacer to spin it around the right way. If anyone knows how to adjust these things for the idle, let us know. Power by Ford. Yes. Alright. Thanks for watching, beautiful people. And